guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wazza. This is my 2018 S3 and we gonna mod it. Hey! Right guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wazza. This is my 2018 S3 and today we are taking the car to Unit 20 in Neston on the Wirral. Now Unit 20 is a RS specialist, very good, very well known. If you ask around on the Audi forums, they're very well regarded. So what are we doing? So today we are finally getting rid of that horrible gap. By gap I mean the gap between the wheel arch and the actual tyre. Look at that. We've got to get rid of that, haven't we? Yeah, we've got to get rid of that. So yes, it's getting lowered. So we're not going silly lowered. The springs are actually rated for 20mm. I still want to get over speed bumps. Now they are quite a stiff spring, so hopefully it's going to add better handling to the car. Hopefully we're going to see a nice little substantial drop, so that gap's disappeared. And yeah, looking forward to it. It's something that I wanted to do for a long time. It's always annoyed me, like how high it looks. Now the S3 is, I believe, 25mm lower than the standard A3. So this means I should be, quick math, 45mm lower. So I think it is going to look rather nice. So let's find out. In definite need of a Red Bull. Car needs fuel, and I need Red Bull. I had a late night last night, so welcome back guys. It is 4 in the afternoon. I've just picked the car up from Unit 20. As usual, Unit 20 have done a sterling job, so thank you Unit 20. If you guys got any work that you need doing on your RS or your S3, S5, S68, whatever, check them out. These guys know what they're talking about. So yeah, so straight away I can feel the car is a lot firmer, which is good. That's what we want. I mean, the car looks so much better. Have a look at this.
I called you tonight. been thinking this for too long. Send a message, you don't reply. I'll keep looking for you, even if it's wrong. I'm sitting all alone in my room. You're stuck so hard in my head. I don't care if there's no chance. I need to find you. I need to know. I need to know. I need to know if I'm still in your
feels so much more planted, and that body roll is pretty much gone. Such a difference from the start, making a difference. Oh, slide there. Oh, lovely. I think that is much better. You see the difference? I can. So next video we are going to look at a free mod. So this mod, some of you might be aware of it. So what Audi do in the factory is to put a thing in your airbox where your air filter is called a snow grate. Now if you don't know what one looks like, that is inside your airbox, just under your filter. Even the Audi technicians say that that is very restrictive. Now I have heard people claim to get about 10 brake horsepower from that. Not entirely sure it's going to make that much of a difference. Maybe with some other mods, don't know, maybe. So we're going to take that out, we're going to show you where it is, how to take it out, and then yeah, we're going to do another draggy comparison and see if it's made a difference or not. I don't think it's going to make a difference. Do you think it's going to make a difference? I don't know. So yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Plenty more where that came from. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got lots more planned for the... You're actually shitting me. Hi lovely. What? I haven't done anything to the car. Bumpier? No. I mean, it's probably... Yeah, I mean, you've lost weight recently, haven't you? And you know, you're probably missing that extra bit of cushion on the seat, that's all. And you're feeling the bumps a bit more. Is that... Cut the last video. Really? Is it... It's hung up. Anyway, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.